If you have 1 million naira, there are businesses that you can start and break even within the first 5 to 6 months of starting that business. So if you're looking for ideas to implement, then you're watching the right video. My name is Charles, and in this video I'm going to share 5 business ideas that you can start with up to 1 million naira. So if you have 1 million naira saved up, or if you're saving towards starting a business, then this video is for you. Now, these businesses I'll be sharing with you would work well in Africa. So whether you're in Nigeria or any African country, it's going to work well with good planning and implementation. Guys, the key word here is implementation. The first business I'm going to share is selling solar panels and installation. It's really hot right now, and I mean that in a good way. Everyone is looking to be more eco-friendly and save on their electricity bills. Now, solar panels are the way to go. So here's the deal. People and businesses want to cut down on how much they harm the environment and how much they spend on electricity and how much they spend on energy. So if you're starting a business putting in solar panels, you're hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. You get to make some good money and you're helping the planet too. You're saving the planet. But it's not just about installing solar panels, just putting panels on the roof. There's more to it, all right? It's more like figuring out the best solar setups for different systems, different places, and keeping the panels to run smoothly. Apart from installing, selling, the installation and all that, you can also make money from maintenance and repairs. You can make money from consultation services. You can also sell solar accessories like solar batteries, inverters, monitoring system, and even electric vehicle charging stations that can be integrated with solar power. So you can see here that there are different ways you can make money around this solar energy. So another way you can make money is from cleaning the solar panels. Efficiency is key. The solar panels can be filled with dirt or debris, and that would cut into the efficiency of the panels. So regular cleaning services ensures that the panels perform properly, optimally, and it's something that many customers might not want to do themselves. So you might want to charge them for cleaning the solar panels. So it's something that you might want to charge your customers. Now, in some places, you earn what is called renewable energy credits, which is called RECs for generating solar energy. So when you generate solar energy, you earn RECs, and those credits can be sold on a marketplace. So if you generate more energy than you need, you can sell these credits to others who need to offset their carbon footprint. Now, a lot of companies buy renewable energy credits, so it's something that you can sell and also make money from it. Another way that you can make money from solar panel sales is education and workshops. Offering workshops or educational courses on solar energy can attract individuals and professionals looking to expand their knowledge or enter the industry. So you can see that selling solar panels and installation is a big business that has other streams of generating revenue. Now, before I share the next business, hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video so far, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button. There are a lot of helpful videos in this channel. All right, now the next business we'll be looking at is Airbnb. So this business model is simple. You don't need to buy a house. You just rent a house, rent like a 2-bedroom or a 4-bedroom flat, and put it up for rent. Put the rooms up for rent individually, or the entire flat for maybe 1 night or more. So it's the same model as a hotel. Guests will pay per night. So you rent an apartment for 1 year and rent it to guests for a fixed price per night. And it is advisable that you rent a furnished apartment for a business like this and get a cleaner to clean the place every day. If you're able to do more flats, you can get someone to manage it for you because it's a business. All right, so you can find customers for this kind of business in Airbnb or do a little bit of marketing online. Now, the next business I'll be sharing is not popular in African countries but has a huge potential for success. Now, this model is similar to Airbnb, but it is not branded as Airbnb. It is called care homes. Now, what is this business model about? Simple. You rent a 4 or a 5-bedroom flat and turn it to a care home for elderly people. A care home is like a hostel, a hotel designed to provide a home-like environment for individuals who need assistance with daily activities and healthcare support. So care homes can cater to various groups, including the elderly, those with disabilities, or individuals that are recovering from illnesses and surgeries. It depends on the one that you want to focus on. So you can decide to focus on elderly people or decide to focus on people with disabilities. It depends on the one that you want. Now, the aim is is to offer a safe, nurturing environment where residents can receive the care and support that they need while maintaining as much independence as possible. People that live in a care home, typically have access to personal care, which is assistance with daily activities such as bathing, dressing, eating, and moving around, stuff like that. They also have access to medical care, which is regular health monitoring and access to medical services. That's why you need to have a nurse if you have business like this, but I'll explain further. So this also includes medical management and therapy session, and they also have access to nutrition, which meals are provided, and the meals are often tailored to meet the specific dietary needs of the residents in that in that flat or in the house. And different people might have different preference for feeding and food and all that. So they also have access to social and recreational activities to keep residents engaged and socially connected. So care homes organize various activities like outings, events, get together and stuff, to give that family and house vibe, to the residents, to still keep that atmosphere. So housekeeping and laundry services are also included. They will also have access to it, and these services ensure that a clean and hygienic living environment is available for all residents. Now, care homes vary in size, the level of care that they provide. Some are more like residential homes with family-like atmosphere, while others might be larger with a more institutional feel, but with extensive facilities. These are like the big care homes. But if you're trying to do this, you want to, care home that is just small, just family-like, you can start up with something like that. There are a lot of people that need their elderly people to be taken care of. A lot of rich homes, not just rich homes, a lot of people that can't take care of their elderly people. All right, so they need people to take care of them, and they need them to be taken care of in a place that feels like home. All right, not just hospitals and stuff like that. So let's say you rent a 4-bedroom flat which can cater for 4 clients and charge 5K per day. So if you are booked for 30 days, that's like 150K, 150,000 naira, and in a year that's like 1.8 million per person or per room. So if you've got a 4-bedroom apartment, that's like 7.2 million. All right, so for a business like this, you might need 1 or 2 nurses depending on how big the flat is and how many people that will be in your care home. All right, now before starting a business like this, please contact your doctor and your lawyer. Now the next business is common, but it's a fast-selling business that will never end. Every day people use it, and we as humans cannot do without it. And you see that people overlook this kind of business. This business is cheap to set up, but the only thing that will set you apart is your branding. Now, this business is called water business, packaging and selling water. You can sell in sachets or you can sell in bottles, and if you tackle this business properly, you can 10x your investment in like 1 or 2 years. You can see that every day people need water. People always need water. People will buy water. People will keep buying water. Selling bottled water or water in bags can generate money for you. Now, here are 2 things you need for this business to work properly. Number 1, packaging, which is the branding. And number 2, marketing. You need to market it properly. Now, you need to get contacts of event planners in your state, wherever you stay, your location. Just look for all the event planners. Just take it as an objective to get all the event planners and, associate yourself with them. So if you're looking at doing this properly, partner with all the event planners that you can get hold of and give them a percentage when their clients buy from you. So the event planners will help recommend you to their clients, and that way you sell in bulk, you sell massively. So machines for packaging water are not expensive. If you want to get started with this, you can start small and then you scale as you go on. You can get the machines from Alibaba, AliExpress, whatever. Now, for this particular business, if you're able to start this business and turn over 12 million in your first year, reach out to me and I'll be willing to invest millions to help you scale up. All right, so you can do 12 million naira in your first year. Let me break this down so you can see how possible it is. Let's say you sell a pack of water for at least 500 naira. You just need to sell 24,000 packs to make 12 million in your first year. All you need to sell at least is 2,000 packs every month, which is 500 packs per week or 67 packs every day. You see, it's not much. So selling water is quite good, it's lucrative, and in fact is one of the most underrated lucrative businesses. All right, everyone needs water every day. All right, not just people. A lot of things need water. So it is one business that would keep going. Now, the next business you can go into is another money bag. What you need to do is go meet the person that has it, collect it, and resell it. This business is fish selling. You can decide to sell catfish or any type of fish. You find people that need that fish, catfish, whatever fish, could be in your country. Find people that need it, could be in your country or abroad, and then, find clients that need it in bulk. And when you find them, you visit a farm, partner with a fish farmer, buy the fish at low price, and then resell it to your clients at higher price. Now, this one, you don't need to start, farming the fish yourself, because that has high risk of failure. You don't need to pass that stress of trying to start your own farm. No, you just need to find the person that needs the fish in bulk, and then discuss or partner with a farmer and get the fish and sell. That's all. So you can go a step further to package the fish and brand it to fit your business needs. So most people that export food produce don't plant it. They just know farmers. They partner with farmers. They buy from farmers at low price, package it, and sell it to other people that need it. This can be business owners that need it. It can be shop owners, restaurants, and so on. This is a lucrative business that you can start without any money. Find clients, go and meet the farmer after finding a client, and then supply to the client. If you have questions regarding any of the businesses that I've shared, or if you want to share ideas, just please feel free to share it in the comment section, all right? And subscribe if you have not subscribed. I share helpful videos in this channel. If you've gotten value from this video, like it, share it with your business partner, your future business partner, all right? The next video is mind-blowing, so you want to check out this video. I'll see you here.